Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. I am Dr. Muhammad Usman and you can find me on YouTube at TheQLGConsultants. On Facebook, I have the similar page for you, the QLGC Institute videos. You can also find me on my websites and you can also email address for any kind of queries and comments on my videos. You can also subscribe, like and share my video channels to stay updated and earn free training certificates. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Master class. I am excited that you have chosen this course and you have enrolled in this course and you have viewed my YouTube channel and this video. I am here to serve you and I am here to make you feel fun while learning, and I will make sure that you get real business results. Whatever we will be learning over here is what I am doing currently to grow my business and what I am currently doing to the digital marketing and what are the social networks different available and what kind of techniques we can use. We will start from the introduction, then we will talk about digital marketing, then your target audience, and then your digital business and how you can do branding of your business. So this course will be over 18 sections, each tackling with different topics. If you are a beginner user, you can start from the scratch, and if you are an advanced user, you can start over the next videos as they are uploaded on my YouTube channel. I am here to serve you and feel free to contact and comment so that I can make sure that this course is according to your requirements and it is doing well for you and your business. You can earn free training certificate through our channel videos. The process is as follows. You can visit our YouTube channel and you can view different videos on different training topics. You just have to send us your training topic, your name, your qualification, address and contact number with 500 words essay about the training topics and 4 to 5 slides on what you have learned from the training. And furthermore, the digital certificate is free for you. If you need hard copy, you just have to pay $5 to us and we'll be sending you your hard copy through the given shipping that can depends on your country location. Digital certificates are free and you can get your digital certificate in 1 to 2 days after applying to our website. The template is as follows. This can be different on our different training videos. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it for earning free training certificates.